Hello, welcome to my kitchen. So today I'm gonna make my stuffed meal, baby scallop. This one is a little particular pasta, citarra. Citarra is a pasta which I cut with an appliance using a string with guitar. So this one is a fat type. I guess you can find some Italian food import shop. You can find it, but little particular. So I want to try it today. But you can use another kind pasta. It's okay. One of the linguine piccole or spaghettini or spaghetti. Also, you can use like same recipe to short pasta. It's a penne, conchiglie, farfalle. You can use it. So I'm gonna eat about 130 grams citarra. I'm gonna use it today. Garlic, hot chili pepper, anchovy paste, erini mushroom, enoki mushroom, and this one is a tomato base, 150 grams, olive oil, white wine, and secret seasoning, naan. And I'm gonna use today another secret seasoning, shirodashi. Okay, let's start cooking. Okay, already boiled 3 liter hot boiling water, and citarra 130 grams. So I'm already added 30 grams salt inside. Okay, so this one is fat type, like take boiling up little long. Okay, I'm gonna wait to boil. Anchovy paste, like this. Olive oil, this, and turn over, switch, high flame. Okay, takes about 2-3 minutes. I'm gonna just change the saute timing. So garlic a little bit burning. Okay, see you at 2-3 minutes later. Okay, now so garlic a little bit change color brown. In this timing is important. Start cooking. Baby scallop in. And mushroom, enoki mushroom, and erini mushroom. White wine, like this. And tomato sauce. So make sure that taste a little bit. Mmm. Good flavor coming from baby scallop and garlic. Good flavor. Okay, sausage then. So you can use this kind of sauce. So another dishes. Or if you get some sauteed fish fillet or some onion, if you want to make some another dish, so this kind of sauce you can on top good serve of sauteed fish. So I'm just waiting. This one is hot type pasta. Take long time to boiling. So looks like udon. Fat type. Okay. Boiling up pasta. High flame. Okay. Sauce and pasta together. So this part is really important. Just put in the pasta boiling water, like half liter, like this, because in here it's already salt inside and mixed up salt flavor, and then I'm just adjust for al dente. Okay, a little bit try to taste. I need more flavor. So, secret seasoning, nampula, like this. And then another secret, shirodashi, little bit, just a little bit. Don't use too much, too salty. And a little bit boil down. Almost last part, making pasta. Okay. And add more olive oil, little bit, like this. Okay. Just make sure the taste a little bit. Perfect. A good flavor goes out of baby scallop. いただきます。I love seafood. See? Starlight fat pasta. How about that? Nice texture. Oh, so good flavor from baby scallop. Yummy. Thank you very much watching my channel, and see you again another time in my kitchen. Bon appetit!